Quickly, I'm just going to share this product. This is the Neutrogena Rapid Wrinkle Repair Regenerating Cream. I'm just trying to share this very fast. This is so beautiful. This is great. This is a good product. If you guys are interested in getting the best rapid wrinkle, the retinol cream, oh my god, this is the best. I have been using this for let's say 6 weeks. Oh my god, I really love this product. I love this product. You guys should just get this product. That's all I can say. Yeah. So as you guys can see, it's almost finished. You can see the product is so good. It's creamy. It's creamy but not oily. Because I have an oily skin that is prone to acne and my skin is sensitive. So this product is actually good. I just decided to, my YouTube family, I just decided to share this with you guys. Just in case anybody is in the market for retinol cream. This is good. And one more thing that I love about this is that since I have acne prone skin, it doesn't break me out. Not at all. It doesn't break me out. So this is good, guys. Thank you.